This is a video on my little Transit Connect. It's my little sewer and drain van. Little sewer and drain cleaning and repairing van. So I'll clean or repair sewer lines, but this is what I use it for. And it is strictly set up just for that. So I can run into any problem with a sewer line, any drain line, and this, I'll fix it with this little minivan, little Transit. Got everything in here. All right, we'll start out with the fittings, just bushings and clean out caps and reducers and all that in this crate. Under sink plumbing in that crate. Under sink plumbing in that crate. And this has got all sorts of toilet flanges, you know, because you pull up a toilet and the flange sometimes is broke, so I'll replace that flange. This is all my 1.5 inches. I mean, a little Studer van in there. It's all my 1.5 inches. Tons of it. I got tons more I keep in stock, but this is just what I carry in here. Wax rings up there and here, keep a box of them. All right, I got any kind of Fernco you could possibly want. No hubs, regular Fernco's, clamps. It just doesn't matter. I've got any Fernco you could possibly want. Look at that big one there. That's a huge one right there. You can't hardly see it, but it's massive. Anyway, all right, 2-inch. It's all 2-inch in there, anything you would want. That's my paper towels, and then I've got miscellaneous stuff in here. I got one of those little pipe cutter tools and just all kinds of stuff, different types of drain covers. You know, you never know when you're going to need them if something goes wrong. All that kind of stuff. Anything you could want. Anyway, I've got my Makita drill. I've got my Milwaukee side drill for getting them tight spots. All right, and then all my pipe wrenches and drill bits and whatever else, channel locks and all that stuff's up in that bag and up under there. I actually have another 5-gallon bucket with tools in it as well. Anyway, this is my indoor jetter. This is the jetter that you would take inside of a place. Usually if you're going to jet inside, usually it's like a restaurant or whatever. Maybe a floor drain. It's 1500 psi, and you hook a little 50-foot 1/8 of an inch hose to it. And this is my little sewer machine, the back of it. That's for sinks, 2-inch, 1.5-inch drain, stuff like that. Sinks, bathtubs, whatever. All right, this is my 1/4-inch jetter hose, a Piranha hose. I got 200 feet of that. Got 100 feet of water hose on a reel. This is my big jetter. It's mounted in. It looks like it's just sitting there on that 2x4, but it's mounted on the 2x10, but it's mounted on that 2x10. That 2x10 is pressure treated and mounted to the van, and that is a Karcher pump, 13 horsepower Honda, 4,000 psi, 4 gallons per minute. Any 3-inch or 4-inch, 3-inch on this side, 4-inch on the other. Any type you want, any type of fitting you want is there, I guarantee you that. Clean out that main line for $99. Oh yeah. I'll clean out the main line for $99 if all I have to do is unscrew the clean out cap. Otherwise, it's more. Anyway, this side's 4-inch. Anything you could possibly want, I guarantee it's in there. There's my reel, backside of my hose reel. Now this is a 6200 rigid. It's got about 150 foot on it of 5/8 cable. It is something else. It'll rip through anything. Got a snake tape plunger and a toilet auger. This is if I have to remove a toilet, I can pump the water out of it into a 5-gallon bucket. Let me take you around and see the front of that. That is a awesome machine. Unbelievable. I wouldn't have anything else. And I'm not just saying that. It's awesome. It's got a retractor on it. It's easy peasy to use. And I've got several ends for it, 4-inch or 3-inch or whatever. Anyway, it's the 6200. Awesome machine. There's my little machine. Anyway, all right, that is it. It's a tour of the unbelievable, world's best sewer cleaning van. That's it. We will see you on the next one.